everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you my favorite chocolate cream cheese frosting recipe. This incredible frosting is rich, chocolatey, smooth, and creamy. It's perfect for frosting cakes, cupcakes, and pastries, and the best part is that it's super easy to make. So, let's get started. To begin, place 170 grams or 3/4 cup of room temperature unsalted butter into a large mixing bowl. Using a hand mixer or a stand mixer, beat it on medium speed for a few minutes until the butter is light, pale, and fluffy. Next, sift 56 gram, just over half a cup, of unsweetened cocoa powder directly into the butter mixture. Then use the beater hooks to gently mix the cocoa powder into the butter before turning on the mixer. This simple step prevents the cocoa powder from flying everywhere. Once it's mostly combined, add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and mix on low speed until smooth. Now add 1 cup of sifted confectioner's sugar and mix on low speed until fully combined. Next, add 1 3/4 cups of sifted confectioner's sugar and mix on low speed until fully combined. At this stage, the frosting may seem a little stiff, but that's completely normal. Once the cream cheese is added, it will become smooth, creamy, and easy to spread. Next, add 250 grams or 1 1/8 cups of room temperature cream cheese in 2 batches, mixing on low speed after each addition until smooth and well combined. Today I'm using 450 grams, 3 3/4 cups of sifted confectioner's sugar. First, I added 2 3/4 cups. After adding the cream cheese, I'm adding the remaining 1 cup of confectioner's sugar. Then I'll beat the frosting on high speed for 1 to 2 minutes until it's light, smooth, and creamy. And that's it. Our rich, smooth, and creamy chocolate cream cheese frosting is ready to use. It's perfect for frosting cakes, filling layer cakes, or piping beautiful swirls on cupcakes. This recipe makes enough frosting to fill and frost a 2-layer, 8-inch cake. Now I fitted a 4B piping nozzle to my piping bag. Let's pipe a few simple and beautiful designs you can easily recreate at home. If you decide to give this recipe a try, don't forget to leave a review on my blog. It really helps my content reach more people, and I absolutely love hearing from you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new recipe. I'll see you in the next one.